Hello, welcome followers. The first thing you need to do is to like, share, comment and subscribe. So today our main topic will be on Microsoft Word window, how the window looks like. On the window we have the title bar, we have the ribbon, we have the tabs, we have the quick access toolbar, we have the status bar, and we have the zoom slider. There are many, but these are the few we can focus on. So we are going to open Microsoft Word window in order to present all these figures. So we go directly to the start menu. On the start menu we type Word. Then we click on Word. We still have many other ways we can get into Word. You go to the start menu, you type for Microsoft Office, the folder will come, then you go inside. You click on Microsoft Word, then it will present itself the same like this. Then we'll open the empty page. So here, this is Microsoft Word interface. Here we have the interface of Microsoft Word. So we are going to present the title bar, the ribbon, the quick access toolbar, the zoom slider, and the status bar. So here, up here, we have the title bar. What you're seeing up here is the title bar. It gives the name of that document. Then the second thing we have is the ribbon. Is the ribbon. Starting from here, to here, going up, all like this, is what we call the ribbon. This middle like this is what we call the ribbon. Then we have the quick access toolbar. When we talk of the quick access toolbar, what we really mean here is all what you're seeing here. All what you're seeing here. I hope you're all seeing my cursor. So all this up is the quick access toolbar. Then the next thing we have is the zoom slider. Here we have the zoom slider. This downer area. This is the zoom slider. And what we also have is the status bar. Below here we have the status bar. This is what we have, which is the status bar. Then we have here the document itself. This is the page. And here we have the control panel. We also have it here. Around here is the control panel. So this is the interface of Microsoft Word. When you have a good knowledge about the interface, it helps you and it makes you to know when you're going into this. So we'll have details put in place regarding all this interface, this Windows structure. We will teach you on how it operates with the quick access toolbar, how it operates with the title bar, how it operates with the ribbon, how it operates with the status bar, how it operates with the zoom slider. So it was really marvelous being with you. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you soon.